Hello students, welcome to the lecture series of microwave and radar. So today we will see what is the waveguide accessories. So what is the use of a waveguide accessories in microwave passive component? Basically waveguide is a use for the highest frequency for transmission of power and signals. Okay, so it is difficult to manufacture a single device for the transmission of microwave signals. Okay, so it is required to join the two or more components, join two or more components of waveguides. So we will require the waveguide accessories. Again, if you want to change the phase, if you want to change the signal, if you want to attenuate the signals or amplify the signals, we will require the waveguide accessories. Okay, so basically in accessories in mobile we already must know what is accessories. That is a charger, then headphone, then n number of accessories are there for mobiles. Similarly in waveguide accessories we have n number of components are there that we have to study today. Basically, a waveguide is used at a higher frequency to transmit power and signal. The important auxiliary components are used with the waveguide for different applications. Okay, so in order to join the waveguides and components with the coaxial cables, strip line, microwave lines used in both laboratory and in microwave communication, also in radars. Okay, so accessories basically used to connect the waveguide to coaxial lines or external device in order to perform the experiment in a radar, satellite or something like else. What is types are there? So in types, first type is a flanges. This is important. Then second one is bends. Then third one is tapers. Then twist. And then another one is switches, then corners, another is antennas, and last one is horn. This is also type of antennas are there. And so flanges, bends, taper, twists, switches, corners, antennas and horns. Okay, so these are the 8 accessories of waveguides are there. So first we will go for the flanges. What is the flanges? Why we have to use the flanges as a waveguide accessories? So in flanges there are the two types are there. One is plain flange and another is choke flange. We'll see one by one. So flanges basically used to connect or join the two waveguides. It will be not used as a to couple the waveguides. Okay, so in flanges, plain flange, so here these are the 4 screw are there. This is a flange, axial flange is there. It is a pipe, sorry, these are the 2 flanges are there, and it is a coaxial to the waveguides. Here we have the coupling. This is the end view looking from this side. Okay, so it will be connected at the end point. The function of a flange is to give the smooth mechanical joint of waveguides with a suitable electrical characteristic, particularly low leakage and low reflections. Okay, for example, this is a pipes are there where the water is flowing. Okay, so I want to stop the flow of pipe here, so I have to connect one flange is there. Okay, so naturally that flow of pipe will be what it will be stopped. So water will not leak from this one pipes. Similarly, this flange is there that should be connected at the waveguide joints used for the, what we'll say, low leakage and low reflections are there. So in plane flanges, you will see it will be at low frequency. The flange is brazed or soldered to the waveguides. It will be soldered to the waveguides, whereas a higher frequency, a much flatter plane flange is used. When two waveguides pieces are joined, the flanges are bolted together. Means I want to join this two waveguide. I have to join by using this waveguide. So I have to use the bolt here, means nut and screw, to join these two waveguides. Similarly in pipe also. Okay. While bolting or screwing, it should be ensured that the two pieces are perfectly aligned mechanically. Otherwise, reflection and losses will take place. The end flanges must be smoothly finished to avoid discontinuity at the junction. It is easier to align individual pieces correctly if there is some adjustment, so that waveguide with a smaller dimension are sometimes provided with threaded flanges which can be screwed together with ring nuts. Whatever be the perfectness of alignment, still some discontinuity doesn't exist in the plane flange. Similarly, we have to go for the choke flange. This is a plane flanges are there. Now I will go for the choke flange. So student will draw this plane flange. In that one we have this choke flange are there. This one basically it will be used for the coupling, waveguide coupling. Plane flange is not used for the waveguide coupling. It will be used for joint. Waveguide coupling is used for the choke flange. It consists of ordinary flange. This is ordinary flange and the choke flange are there. To compensate for discontinuity, a circular choke ring of L cross section is used in the choke flange in order to short circuit at junction of waveguides. So this choke will be used in order to short circuit at junction of waveguide. The L section, this L section will behave as a short circuit and with a wavelength with a total length of lambda p by 4. Lambda is a wavelength. So take the total. In order to find out the total length, you will take lambda divided by 4 is there. Okay. The disadvantage of choke flange is that it is frequency sensitive, but by good design a bandwidth about 60% can be obtained about its center frequency. Okay. Basically this waveguide is used, flange is used for the coupling, which has a choke type of L type of type of cross section is there, and the length will be lambda by 4 is there. Again it will be behave as a short circuit. So today we will see what is waveguide accessories, why we have to use the waveguide accessories. Basically waveguide accessories is used for the coupling, joints, signal divergence, attenuation, amplification, etc. Then what are the types of waveguides accessories? That is a flange, that today we will see. Then corners, bends, taper, twist, horns, antennas. These are the different types of accessories. Then we will see flanges. Flanges basically used to as a mechanical joint for the waveguides for the signal transmission at higher frequency and lower frequency. Then we'll see what is plain flanges and choke flanges, use of plain flanges and use of choke flanges. Okay, thank you.